Before performing maintenance to a separator, be sure to read and follow the installation, operation, and maintenance manual. Follow the appropriate lockout, tagout, blockout procedures, and read and follow all safety tags. Failure to do so could result in injury or death. To change an underflow regulator on a separator, switch off the power to the pump connected to the separator and lock the switch in the off position to ensure no power can reach the pump while changing the underflow regulator. Unbolt and remove the spigot from the lower cone. Place the spigot upside down on a clean, stable work surface. Unbolt the clamp securing the underflow regulator to the spigot. Remove the clamp from the underflow regulator and remove the underflow regulator from the spigot. Fit the new underflow regulator to the spigot. Clamp the underflow regulator to the spigot, making sure the bolt sides of the clamp are parallel to the flat sides of the underflow regulator. Secure the clamp with bolts. Bolt the spigot and underflow regulator to the lower cone, torquing to recommended specifications. For more information, contact McLanahan.